Good morning, everybody. Grateful for another beautiful day. Thank you so much for tuning in. We got a lot of updates for y'all. Did get another $900 payout, which should be reflected down at the left-hand corner of the screen. Now let's talk about my accounts. I had actually lost all of my funded accounts. I made a very, very novice mistake when I was trading Asia session. I was testing out something to see if my strategy works during different time zones and or different time sessions. And I didn't realize I was copy trading all of my funded accounts instead of another eval that I got for that specific purpose. All right, so I ended up blowing the entire account. So I had to get 5 new ones. So what you see here are 5 new accounts on the new Top Step dashboard. So if y'all see here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 funded accounts, $415 balance. This is 401. This is 0. This is brand new. This is 0. This is brand new. And this is $400. Right now, I mean, price has just been on a waterfall. This to me is a propulsion block. Okay. So what I'm getting ready for is bullish price action. I just don't know when, right? So I notated this yearly order block right here. We hit a monthly equilibrium from here to here. So we're in a discount level, right? Looking at this, if that yearly order block still stands and price wants to dig deeper into that median, then I wouldn't be too upset. So that's going to be at the 15,000 level, 15,342. If it does, then we could see price literally just jump up. For a long-term price standpoint, if we want to see very bullish move, I would like to have price come down to the 15,342 level, but of course, price can do anything, right? Right now, we're at a monthly fair value gap with a monthly equilibrium, so this could be a very great point to take some longs or look for bullish price action at this point or for a reversal. We have a huge weekly imbalance right here, so I'm going to notate that. This is a weekly volume gap right there. Weekly volume imbalance here. We could see price wanting to head back into that area to fill it and then maybe displace upwards to send price up higher. Okay, there's a lot of liquidity down up above. I mean, this is like a classic market maker sell model, right? There's relative equal highs here. Boom, boom. We could see price dig down deeper if it's still bearish. So right now, what I'm expecting to see is price looks a little bullish here at this point. It it hit Asia high and it's kind of consolidating right here. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw another flush down and to take out this low, because this would be in a discount to take price up higher to complete this gap, to fill this gap. So I could go both ways. I could be looking for shorts down into this area or wait for price to hit down here and then take long. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be patient and we'll see what happens. This week we have news on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We could expect some high volatility there and hopefully use that to our advantage. But I am copy trading 5 accounts. If you made it this far, like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K, and let's just see what happens. All right, so as you all can see here, price hit my target level. It inversed that 1 minute fair value gap, right where my stop is, and I entered 1 micro long, aiming for the 2 standard deviation for $800. Um, I'm actually expecting price to head up straight from here. Maybe some pullback, but price looks very, very bullish. I'm not sure why my 5 minute candle is not updating. That's a little weird. I think I have to refresh my browser. Yeah, it's not updating. It's 5 minutes. There we go. Yeah, sometimes the Safari browser sucks, but um, yeah, so far price action looks good. The reason why I didn't enter right where the IFVG was is because I was waiting for the second candle up to close above that that order block, the SysD. So I was waiting for a change in the state of delivery. So this is the IFEG right there. And right now, price doesn't look so great, but I'm going to hold my position. Yep, there we go. Price should just head straight up from here. Should I trail my stop? I don't know. Kind of want to trail my stop, but I'm not sure. But anyways, so far price is moving in the direction that I'm expecting it to go. So let's just, let's just see what happens here. Oh, and the two red lines that are there is basically the opening range gap. If the 5-minute candle closes above it, then it's just going to be a confirmation for price to head up to the 2 standard deviation. So that's what I'm expecting right now. The 1 minute looks good. Yeah, let me know if y'all took the same trade. This is looking good so far. And the reason why I'm only trading 1 micro is because the ATR is super high. It's insane. Like literally one 1 minute candle sometimes can be like 40, 50 points. And it's insane. Like price is so volatile that I can't be risking more than $200, $300 per position. And that amounts to just like one contract. When previously, like a couple months ago, I was able to trade like 5, 6 contracts, right? It's absolutely insane. Trump is definitely creating this volatility, and I'm not expecting price to keep going down. I'm actually expecting price to head up. Yeah, the economy is tanking right now, but I think this is just short term. This is all part of his plan um to rebalance everything. But I'm gonna move my stops up where you see right now, just for a break even in case price wants to dump. Come on, just head straight up. Looks like it wants to go. I think that's the closure for the orb on the 5-minute. Let's see what price wants to do here. Thinking about trailing my stop up here, right there. There we go. Right below the opening range gap. Let me aggressively trailing my stop. I should be okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my stop there. I think I'm gonna trail my stop up a little more aggressively right there. There you go. I wouldn't want to see price come back down below that level. All right, there we go. Moving my stops up there. We're almost at 1.5 standard deviations. So this is about 2R, close to 2R. I think I'm going to trail my stop up a little more. There we go. A little bit higher underneath that 5-second order block. And I think if price trails me out here, then I'll be okay with it. I'll look for another long. Will it hit? Will it hit? It looks like it wants to pump up. Trail my stop up a little bit higher just to lock in some more profit. And there we go. All right, 426, 427. 427, 427, 427. All right, cool. All right, what a crazy day. Price did exactly what I had expected it to do. Let me just lock my account so I don't overtrade and give back all of my gains. All right. I am going to copy trade again for all of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So everything's set up for tomorrow. But yeah, let's just see what price did. Y'all saw the one micro trade for $400. What y'all didn't see is the 10 micro trade that I took from here to here, that I scalped from here to here, which netted me another $500, and then I scalped another one micro up to here, the two standard deviations. Yeah, that was insane. No losses today, all wins. This is the 10 micro that I took for 465. In the beginning of the video, I basically said there that price is bullish, and in order for price to go up and fill in this gap, I would like to see price to come down and take out this low within this fair value gap, and then I'll look for long. That's exactly what I did. I looked for longs in this stacked inverse fair value gap right there. Price broke, and I wanted to wait for price to actually come up and close above this body right there, which it did here, right? So that's when I took the one micro long from here that y'all saw. Let me know how y'all did in the comments below. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K. Just a little reminder, I do have losing days. Unfortunately, I was not able to record my losing day because it was overnight. But these are the 5 funded accounts that I do have right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all hopefully later this week.